In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find files you haven't opened in a long time in Google Drive. This process can help you tidy up your digital space or easily archive those old files you no longer need. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once you're there and logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your drive. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search box. Click on it, and then look for a small down arrow or what might be labeled as the advanced search icon, and click on that as well. This action will open up a dialog box with various options, providing you with more specific search criteria to narrow down your results. In this advanced search dialog, you have the option to set the owner field to Me. Doing so will limit the search to the files that you own. If you prefer to include files that others have shared with you, you can skip this step entirely, broadening your search to all relevant files. Next, you'll want to find the field labeled Last Modified or Date Modified. Here, you can choose Modified Before to specify a date far in the past, such as before January 1st, 2023. By selecting a date this far back, you'll efficiently target older files that you might not have edited or needed in a while. Additionally, if you're hunting for certain types of files, maybe those large files you might have forgotten about, you can filter by file size or type. Adjust those settings if you're looking to clear up significant space in your storage quickly. Once you've set your criteria, hit the search button to run the query. This will give you a list of files that meet your specified criteria, primarily those files you haven't modified or opened in a long time. In this result list, you can sort the files by last modified or last opened if this option is available. It's essential to note that Google Drive doesn't always display the last opened by me option for all files, so work with what you have. As you go down the list, examine each file carefully. Ask yourself a few questions. Do I still need this file? Would it be better to archive it or delete it to free up space? Is this file still relevant, or is it shared with others who might still need access? Once you've made your decision, you can either archive or delete these files. If you're choosing to delete them, remember to empty the trash. This is crucial to actually freeing up your storage space. With this method, you can easily declutter your Google Drive, making room for new and more relevant files, or simply ensuring that your digital workspace remains organized and efficient.